Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be exploring how you can craft your very own Iron Golem if you find that you need more of them wherever you are, and they're not spawning automatically on their own due to the nearby village or nearby villagers. So the simple answer is, all you need in order to spawn an Iron Golem is some iron, some pumpkins, and some shears. Now, the way that this works is you're going to use the shears on a pumpkin, so you get a jack-o'-lantern. So actually, because I'm in creative mode, it's going to be a little funky. But you're going to need a jack-o'-lantern. Maybe just a pumpkin with a face. What are they? Are they considered carved pumpkins? Yes. So you're going to need a carved pumpkin, which, you know, has a face. And then you're going to need some iron, and the iron we're going to use in the shape of some iron blocks, which require 9 iron apiece, and you're going to need to make 4 of them. Once you have both of these things, you can craft them together in kind of like a plus symbol or a cross shape. And then at the top, instead of another iron block, you slap down the carved pumpkin, and boom, suddenly you have a golem. And you can use machines to kind of plunk these down together too. There's some guides on that out and about on the web. I might make one later, where you can make an automated golem factory where as long as you feed in carved pumpkins and iron blocks, it'll keep spitting out golems for you for home defense against all sorts of different critters that might try to mess with your stuff. That said, I personally prefer making one of those elaborate machines where golems spawn in a death pit, and then they get damaged until they die and produce a basically near endless free supply of iron, so you don't always have to go skulking around in the cave systems and strip mining in order to get more. But yeah, that's been a brief look at how to make your very own Iron Golems. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.